Welcome to 215 North Main Street. This is over 5,400 square feet of beautiful resort home, 1928. Let's go inside and take a look at it. You'll be amazed. This is the living room, original wavy glass windows, antique mirror fireplace, one of 3 fireplaces in the home. This is the beautiful sunroom, original wavy glass windows, another fireplace, and look at the great view of the pool. The spacious master bedroom, everything has 9-foot ceilings. His and her closets, jetted tub, and your private entrance outside to the pool area. The custom shower has 5 shower heads and a bidet and a commode. This spacious dining room has French doors that go out to the side porch. More entertaining space for you. The breakfast room is the perfect space to have breakfast. The custom kitchen has Wolf appliances, Sub-Zero refrigerator, beam ceilings, and lots of lighting. Hey, check out this cool wine cellar. So this is the second floor, 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, lots of built-ins. The media room was just added in 2012. It's got tray ceilings, lots of built-ins, wet bar, and a great spot for the kids to hang out. This is the pool terrace, 2,400 square feet. Outdoor wood burning fireplace, pool, spa, salt water, keep in mind. You see all the water features? This is in the heart of downtown Belmont. Give me a call today. Call Wendy at 704-747-2995. Come check it out.